how to set delivery zone by country on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to set delivery zone on Ecwid by country, easy and quick. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, click shipping and pickup, and here we'll find shipping, delivery and pickup. Now all you need to do, just click edit on your delivery and then scroll down, scroll until you find advanced settings, and here you will find this one. Click on it. That's it. Just select any zone you want, and if you can't find the zone that you want to select, just click create a new zone and then click leave this page, and that's it. Now just click add new zone and then click and that's it. Just manage those here and click save and go back. And now let's see, and here we'll find a new zone. Here is it, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.